Okay, this is Richmond, Virginia, guys. Check it out. Yeah, Richmond. Crazy hair day. I'm gonna have to fix it later. I'm gonna be meeting up with Lucas later, and I might be meeting up with some other people today. I'm not too sure. Outside of, or it is kind of Philadelphia. It's like the Jersey side of Philly. So maybe, I'm not too sure. We'll find out later. But here's something interesting. I'm driving around in this car. On the back of my license plate, on the license plate holder, it says Totality Films. And something I've realized now, I keep getting notifications on Facebook that like Totality Films has 10 new views. Totality Films is like almost every day. It kind of stopped when I was with Megan and Jackson, but probably because I wasn't driving anywhere. But I mean, I'm still seeing that consistently. So having my name on the back of the license plate holder is actually a good advertisement. It actually works. I've been here before. I've been to DC. I've been outside DC, a little bit into Maryland, and just slightly, I'd say, slightly into the Virginia countryside. Nothing like what I'm doing right now. I'm driving all the way from south to north of the state, and when I hit DC area is when I'm going to turn. I'm going to go to Annapolis, into Maryland, through Delaware, and then continue on.
Everyone, this is Emmy-nominated music producer Maria Davis. She is incredibly successful. She's got profiles on Pandora, Spotify, YouTube, you name it, she's on it. Maria, anything you would like to say about your works and anything?
You can find me everywhere. It's electronic chill out, just some hints of trance, ambient, something for everybody, perfect for driving and studying.
Oh yes, I highly agree. Yep, I've listened to many of your tracks, so yeah, keep up the great work.
The battery's getting low on this thing. Better plug it in. Met up with Lucas. It's good to finally meet Lucas. He's a great guy, really, really great guy, full of life. Really, really nice guy. And I'm on my way to DC, but I'm gonna kind of go around DC. And gave him a shirt with a cartoon character on it that he enjoys, and he just lit up with that and was like, oh, this is cool, I picked out the right one. Yes. And a couple of trinkets and stuff from Arizona. I also gave him my entire discography, Maria Davis, Glamis, and Firehawk, on a flash drive. He deserves it. He's been a fan of the music, and he's known me since I first started distributing music. This is why I absolutely cannot stand DC traffic. I'm not even in DC yet. I'm not even close to the heart of DC or anything like that. But the traffic, all the easy pass lanes are closed, which is making the traffic even worse. Well, it's been an hour and a half since I last got on here, and I think I've maybe driven 10 miles. God. Come on. Come on. Man, this sucks. It's telling me 20 miles till I turn on the 50. My phone's ringing. Oh, hello. Dang it, I missed a sign. But I am in Maryland right now. Across the Potomac, and oh, now I'm in Maryland. And I seriously need to find a bathroom. I'm crossing a bunch of water right now. I mean, this is a bunch of water. Oh my God, this bridge is enormous.